Welcome to the Edge video tutorial series, QuickBooks Procedures, Undeposited Funds and Refunds. If you have integrated the Edge with QuickBooks, most transactions are posted automatically. However, there are a few transactions that you must address manually. We recommend doing this every day. For undeposited funds, start by locating transactions that need to be reconciled by running the GL report. Go to Administrative, QuickBooks, GL Report. Set the parameters to the date for which you would like to see the report. Select Posted Items, Voided Sales, and group by the GL account. Click OK. Now you will notice that you have undeposited funds for the day. The total is $7,908. To find out how the denominations were recorded into QuickBooks, run the Daily Activity Report. Go to Reports, Activity, Daily. Enter the same date. Select Show Trades as Tender, but you do not need to show details, page breaks, or group by the date. Page 1 is the total sales for the day, and the last page shows the deposits for the day. In this case, they don't match. Notice that on your GL report, deposits are $7,908 and refunds are $1,940.50. Therefore, your deposit in the Edge should be the net of those two. Now we need to deposit the transactions in QuickBooks based on how they are broken down on your bank statement. Sometimes Visa, MasterCard, and Discover are deposited together and Amex is separate. Cash and checks can be deposited together according to your bank accounts. Depositing funds. Now go to QuickBooks to make the deposits. Go to Banking, Make Deposits. Deposits for the day will appear based on the method of payment from the Edge. Notice there is a check, American Express, and Visa. Group the payments according to how they are organized on your bank statement. We'll do American Express first. Click on the item and click OK. Select Deposit To and find the bank account. Select the date of the transaction, and in the memo line, it states Deposit. Select Save and New. Go back to the Deposits page and make the other deposits. Notice the negative deposit of $42 from a refund, which reconciles back to the Daily Activity Report. Leave that for another day when you have positive deposits. Processing refunds due. Because our Visa deposit in QuickBooks was different from that in the Edge, go to QuickBooks, Banking, Use Register, and find the bank account. Locate the deposit you just made and open it. Select Edit Transaction. Our Visa deposit was $2,040.50. If you look at the Daily Activity Report, it shows the Visa deposit for the day was $100. Therefore, we can see where the refunds due came from. We confirm that in the GL report where it says refunds due of $1,940.50. To process this refund due in QuickBooks, make a new line in the register and click Point of Sale Customer. Find Refunds Due. In the memo line, you can record who you refunded to. The method of payment would be the Visa card. In the amount field, make sure you do a negative $1,940.50. The deposit subtotal will now show the net $100. Save and close. If you have refunds due and need to write a check, it would be different. In QuickBooks, go to Banking, Write Checks, and select the account. Enter the date and the payee. Enter the amount. In the account, use refunds due to offset the amount that came over from the Edge. Remember that undeposited funds and refunds due are maintenance accounts. Make sure at the end of every day the balances are zero unless we haven't gone to the bank with cash. Verifying balances. Go to Reports, Company and Financial, Balance Sheet, Standard. Enter the date and refresh. Notice that undeposited funds included only the negative $42 that we have not yet deposited. If we go down to the liability section, refunds due doesn't even appear because the balance is 0. That means we have reconciled successfully. The Edge Retail Academy has experts who can work with you to refine these and other QuickBooks procedures. To enlist their assistance, call 877-569-8657. Abbott and Shapiro cannot be held responsible for the accuracy of your QuickBooks financial data. If you have questions, seek assistance from your accountant. Thank you for viewing the QuickBooks Procedures, Undeposited Funds and Refunds tutorial. We hope this information was useful. Feel free to contact us at support@abbottshapiro.com.